Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about power steering flushes. Now your grandfather may say to you, we never flushed the power steering system back in the day, and there's good reason for that. Older vehicles were a lot less susceptible to problems with the power steering. We have a lot tighter tolerances these days, and we need to keep the systems clean. Power steering racks and pumps operating today often create contaminants such as fine metal particles that will float throughout the system that can cause damage to internal seals, valving, pistons, etc., and can also damage the inside of hoses, cause them to start to fail and come apart. By flushing out the power steering system every 2 years to 24,000 miles, whichever comes first, you can keep your power steering system in good working order. We often recommend to use the BG power steering system flush, as it is the most professional and highest quality way to make sure and clean and condition the power steering system regularly. In doing so, you can prevent very expensive repairs with the power steering system. To replace a power steering rack these days can often cost well over $1,000, along with having to remove several other components on the vehicle. Get your vehicle in today and have the power steering looked at. If it hasn't been flushed in 2 years or 24,000 miles, get it taken care of. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.